Hi, this is Dennis Orcutt with MarineMax, 803-831-2101. Today we're going to look at a 2019 21 SPX by Sea Ray. As you can see, it's a nice bright red color. Comes with a nice painted Sea Ray trailer. Let's take a closer look. Back at the stern, we have a Bravo outdrive with a nice stainless steel propeller. We have sea deck on the back of the boat. Entering in the boat, you got a nice walkway. Nice spacious boat. Great boat for the first time boater. It's got lots of storage in this boat. Got a built-in cooler. You got a self-contained cooler. Lots of storage space in this boat. Comes equipped with a 4.5 liter 250 horsepower MerCruiser engine. Lots of storage over here as well. Hollister front seat. Full instrumentation, also featuring SIMRAD. USBs and 12 volt to starboard. Nice big glove box. Lots of storage up front. We got a ski locker underneath the carpet. This seat flips back and forth, so if you want to do water sports, this seat will flip back and forth. It'll face forward or aft. Nice big storage underneath. Once again, this is Dennis Orcutt with MarineMax. If this is a boat you would be interested in, call us for a closer look. 803-831-2101. Thank you.